Hi guys, this is Suresh. Welcome to the channel. So in this video, we will discuss about the most important interview question for data engineers and data analytics, which is running total. Sometimes we call it as cumulative sum also. So this is very important question. So let's get started. So if interviewer wants to test your knowledge on analytical or window functions in SQL, they will definitely ask these type of questions. So if you see here we have two tables. The first one is a input table, the second one is the output table. So input table we have three different products: pen, book and bag. And for each product we have January, February, March and April month sales: 100, 150, 200 and 250. So the cumulative sum for particularly pen becomes like this. Here if you see the pen, 100 will always be 100, and 100 plus 150 becomes 250, and 100 150 to 200 altogether 450. 100 plus 150 plus 200 plus 250 equal to 70. So this is how we have to calculate the cumulative sum or running total for all the products. So let's get started with the actual solution. Okay, so first I will drop the table if it is already exist. Okay, this is completed, and I'll create the table again with the required columns: product, sale month and amount. Okay, uh, and now I will insert the sample data. Okay, so let's see if the table created and data inserted or not. Okay, so table is created here. So we have three different products: pen, book and bag, and we have January, February, March, April for each product, and we have respective amounts. So let's write the actual query. So we have to find the cumulative sum or running total of the amount column for each product. So select. So I want to extract all the columns, so I will just keep star, and from which table? DPO dot sales data. Okay, now here the actual calculation part will come into picture. So we have to identify the sum and on amount column, and we have to partition by product, because for each product level we have to calculate the running total. So that is why I am just partitioning by the product column. So for now let's see what data it returns. Okay, if you see so for bag it is returning some sum, for book also it is returning, for pen also it is returning. So let's give some alias running total. Okay, let's execute. Okay, so for bag it is returning 2300 for all rows, but this is not we wanted. Okay, so for that we have to order by sale month, because we have to calculate in the order of sales, like first January, January plus February, January, February, March, and then January, February, March, April. So likewise, we have to find the sale amount. So that is why we have to order by sale month in ascending order, and also we have to uh, give these rows between unbounded, preceding, and current row. Okay, so let's execute this. See here, now the running total calculated properly. For book, this is the one. For pen, this is the one. If we look into particularly into bag, so let's calculate. For first 500, it is same as it is. For second row, it is 1100, means 500 plus 600. For the third, it is 1650, means 500 plus 600 plus 550. So fourth one, 500 plus 600 plus 550 plus 650 becomes 2300. So for same way, it calculated for book product and pen product. So this is how we calculate the running total. So let's discuss what exactly this thing. So first I'm ordering the data based on the sales month. Okay, and after that I am applying some window to calculation here. So what I'm saying here, rows between unbounded preceding and current row. Let's say if the control is at the third row, this becomes the current row, and it is saying this is current row, and it is saying unbounded preceding. That means there is no bound for preceding. So that it will consider all the previous records and until the current row. So first it will consider first row, and then it will consider for first and second, and later it consider for first, second, third, and later it consider for first, second, third, and fourth. So likewise, it unbounded preceding all the previous columns until current row. So that is what we are mentioning here. So that is why it calculates all the previous amounts until current amount. That is how it calculates and gives the output. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching. Also like this video and share this video with your colleagues, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.